Maupay! Welcome to Creative Nonfiction class. I am Teacher Genkie, a senior high school teacher from Arellano University. Another semester is about to end and I'm here again, turning the page into new chapter, new lesson, and of course new learnings. As we go on with this journey, come join me and we will explore the concepts of creative nonfiction, analyze themes and techniques in a particular text or in a story, and let's begin with the introduction to literary genres. Alright, Lesson 1, Conventions of Traditional Genres, and it includes the fiction, poetry, drama, and other forms. Alright, so let's begin with the genre. What does genre mean? A genre is a French word that means a type or a kind. Say for example, so the genre of a book is what? So you're asking us. A genre is a particular type of literature, painting, music, film, and any other type of art form. So what is literary genre? A literary composition is characterized by a particular style, form, or content. So it means that a literary genre, so it is a category of literary composition determined by a literary technique, tone, content, or even, as in the case of fiction, length. The distinction genres and categories are flexible and loosely defined or often with subgroups. The most general genres in literature are in chronological order. It can be in a epic, comedy, tragedy, or in a creative fiction or non-fiction. So they are all in the form of prose or poetry. Say for example in here. So let's move on to literary convention. So defining features of a particular genre such as novel, or a short story, or a play. 5 major genres. It can be fiction, non-fiction, folktale, drama or play, and poetry. Subgenres, and let's start with the fiction. When we say fiction, it is a written stories about people and events that are not real. Literature that tells stories which are imagined by the writer. So meaning to say, it is based from the imagination of a writer and not actually happen in real life. Let's move on to the elements of fiction. Okay, it includes the characters, the setting, and the conflict, or the point of view, the plot, and the theme. Alright, let's begin with the characters. And it includes there the persons. Okay, in a work of fiction, characteristics of a person. It includes also there the protagonist, the antagonist, and the other types of characters. Next is the conflict. Okay, it is the opposition of forces which ties one incident to another and makes the plot move. It can be an external or internal. Next one is the setting. It refers to place or time, weather condition, even the mood or the atmosphere. Okay, it includes there the environment where the story happened. Next is the point of view. Okay, it is how the character is told, or more specifically, who tells it. That's the point of view. Next is the plot. It is the sequence of events in a story or a play. Okay, the last one is the theme. So it is the central dominating idea, meaning to say, it is refers to the message, the main idea, or the lesson that we should learn from the story. That's the theme. Of course, if there is fiction, there is also non-fiction. When we say non-fiction, it is the branch of literature comprising about facts, okay? Dealing with or offering opinions or conjectures upon facts and reality. So it includes there the biography, history, or events that are actually based from the reality that happens in real life. Okay, about facts. And here are the elements of non-fiction. Next is the drama. When we say drama, it is a story put into action or a story of human life told by a representation of a persons by persons, imitation of language, the voice, gestures, or dress, accessories, or surrounding condition. The whole produced with reference to truth or probability and with or without the aid of music, dancing, painting, or decoration. So that's a play. So here are the elements of drama. It includes the plot, the setting, the characters, the dialogue, the scenery, or the theme. Okay, those are the elements of drama. And let's start with the plot. So this is the events. Okay, the events in a play. Next is the setting. Okay, it includes the time and place in a literary work. Next is the characters. It includes the people or creatures in a play. Next is the dialogue. When we say dialogue, it is the conversation in a play all throughout the play. Next is the theme. It is the central idea or the central thought of a play. That's the theme. Last one in the elements of drama is the scenery. It is the various elements that are used to create a particular visual setting for a play. Okay, that's a scenery. Okay, another subgenres is the folk tale. Okay, when we say folk tale, it is our stories passed down by traditions. Though there are many varieties of folk tales, they are commonly about regular people in everyday settings of folk tales, and it includes there the characters, the setting, the plot, the theme, the event, style, tone, the point of view, and of course includes the point of view, the first person point of view, the second person point of view, and the third person point of view. It includes there. Next is poetry. It is a literary work in which special intensity is given to the expression of feelings or ideas. Okay, it includes there the poem when you are writing a poem, also prose, okay, by the use of distinctive style or rhythm. There are also the elements of poetry. It includes the imagery which appeals to the senses, okay, the senses of a writer. Next is the sounds, the rhythm, the density, and of course the line. So those are the literary genres, and I hope every one of you take down notes or learn something. And before we end this, here's the exercise. Here are some of my exercise, and take it seriously. And here's also my assignments. Please read. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next lesson in creative nonfiction. Bye for now.